Welcome back to N-Scale Friday. I'm John, and today we have a model from Atlas, so let's go over to the workbench and take a look. Alright, here's what we're looking at today. This is a N-Scale 50-foot Smoothside RBL car. This is made by Atlas, and I looked on their website and found that they have 7 different paint schemes going for $26.95 each. This comes from Atlas's Master Series, and you can go to the website and see if they have the one you're looking for. A close look at the side of the car reveals very good paint and markings, as well as molded details. The molded door looks especially nice, and you can see there's a little stirrup there just under the door to the left, and then more molded details on this side. The logo is especially nicely done. All but the smallest of the writing on this model is legible with magnification. Looking at the brake end, you can see that this is a separately applied brake wheel, and then the ladders actually are molded as well as the tack board, but they look like separately applied parts, so it's a pretty good mold. And then also you can see here that this is in fact a knuckle coupler. This is the A end, and it has similar detail, including the molded ladders and tack board that really do look like separately applied parts. The roof has that sort of ribbing detail that you would expect to see on a car like this. This would look especially good once it's weathered. The bottom of the car has molded detail, including some brake detail over here, and from this angle you can see that these are actually truck-mounted knuckle couplers. I'm not sure why they're not making these body-mounted these days, but it is what it is. I think this is a pretty solid release from Atlas, and I especially was impressed with the level of detail they were able to get in the molding around the door. That looked really good to me. Anyway, good job, Atlas, and I'll catch you next time.